I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
What you running in here? Oh,
Got the ANK 2000.5 on stock electrical. Right now, just a single 15. I'm waiting for Joshua Jobbers with Based Out Productions to get a box for 210s built.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be fully curved.
You gonna take out the 115 and go with that?
Yeah.
You got the tweeters up here and everything?
Yeah, I got 2 tweeters. These are on the amp. Got 2 tweeters in the dash on the amp. Then I got 2. I got Sylvester 6.5 mids in all 4 doors.
Yes, sir.
I've only.
SSA.
Yup. It ain't getting hardly any power because it's wired at 2 ohm.
Hey, I was doing the 2 ohm deal. I didn't like it either.
I rose to almost 8 ohms. Only clamped 458 watts.
Oh.
Yeah.
You ready to come on down, ain't you?
And wired back down to 1 ohm at least. That's for that. Let's see. No extra battery, no nothing, no big 3.
It's 5 channel straight stock.
Stock, everything.
That's impressive. That's my first time hearing a 5 channel amp. I always wondered how they perform.
Yeah.
That's my first time hearing. Didn't the door sound good too? Is that like a tweeter somewhere? So you got an aftermarket tweeter in the.
Yeah, super tweeters in the dash.
Okay.
The Avatar TBR 57s.
Yeah.
Sylvester's in the door, front doors and rear doors, and then the same super tweeters
In the back.
in the back.
Yeah. That
Everything's
sounds good.
running all on the amp with the LC6i factory head unit.
You gonna keep the head unit, right?
Yep.
Yeah, cause that look good right there.
Yeah, I wanted something that I went with Def Bonds this time around because I've had many other builds.
Yeah.
But Jerry Peak at SRE Customs, he sells Def Bonds.
Yeah, that's what he got. Yeah, that's
So
what he did.
I was like, I just want 1 amp. You got a 5-channel Def Bonds amp? He's like, yeah, I got the AAK 2000.5. So I got that. I got 2 SA 2510s that Joshua Jarvis with Based Out Productions is gonna build a fully curved box.
Yeah.
For those, it's gonna be stupid.
Yeah, he do some good work too.
Yeah.
Yeah, him and Jerry them. Yeah, they do good work down here.
So everything is Def Bonds in this vehicle.
It sounds good. It sounded real good. Are you on social media anywhere they can find you?
Yeah, I got KX Radex on YouTube, and I have a Facebook channel or page for I do my own builds for other customers, and that's Chimera Audio.
Well, definitely, y'all be sure to follow. I sure appreciate it, bro.
Hey, no problem.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna keep in touch with you, man. I'd like to see what you got going.
Yeah, no
What kind of car is this again, man?
This is a 2015 Dodge Dart SXT.
This ain't clean. I'm gonna get some pictures of the outside, man. I sure appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, no problem, man.
See if I got some more stickers in my pocket. You can just take 2. Appreciate it, bro.
right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.